Hi everyone, today's lesson is lesson 19, identifying fractional parts of a whole. So yesterday we described polygons, and polygons all have straight sides. And each of our pattern block is considered a polygon. So remember, the orange pattern block is a square, the red pattern block is a trapezoid, the green pattern block is a triangle, the blue pattern block is called a parallelogram, and the tan one is also a parallelogram with the special name of a rhombus. Okay, so we're going to look at fractional parts of a whole. So if we look, my yellow pattern block is the biggest pattern block. And I'm going to cover each hexagon, which is the yellow one, with only one color of block at a time. So here I have 4 hexagons. And I'm using my red pattern blocks, my blue, and green pattern blocks. Okay, we're not going to use orange or tan because they can't fill in the whole thing. All right, so how many yellow pieces cover up the hexagon? So if I take one hexagon and I put it on top of the other, how many pieces does it take? Well, just one. It only takes one piece. So how many trapezoids does it take to cover up one of these pattern blocks? If we look, it takes 2 trapezoids, and I have to kind of curve them around. There we go. All right. Are the 2 trapezoids the same size? Yes, they are, and we can know that if I put one trapezoid on top of the other one. Okay. So we say if I have 2 pieces to cover up a whole, we say that each piece is 1/2 of the whole hexagon or the whole shape. All right, so how many blue parallelograms do we use to fill up this shape? So we need 1, 2, 3. So since it takes 3 parallelograms to fill it up, and they're all the same size, we say that each piece is 1/3 of the whole shape. Okay. All right, what about my triangles? So if my triangles are all the same shape, or the same size, it takes me 6 triangles to fill up my whole hexagon. Okay, and the ones you use will be the same shape. It's kind of hard to get that on mine, but we're going to just pretend that they are exactly the same. Okay, so we say that each of these pieces is 1/6 because there's 6 of them to fill up the whole thing. So one triangle will be 1/6 of the whole shape. Okay, so if I have, again, my trapezoid, and I divide that trapezoid in half. Now you can see that I have 2 trapezoids here. There's one here and one here. So if I fill in just half of it, this one side, we say that this is 1/2. One trapezoid is 1/2 of the hexagon. Okay. All right, so with my second one, let's say I have my blue parallelograms. And I'm just going to draw them in. Okay, so then we say that if it takes 3 parallelograms to fill it in, then one parallelogram, blue one, is going to be 1/3. And you can see I have 3 pieces and only one of them is colored. Okay. When the 3 pieces are the same size, we say it's 1/3 the hexagon. Okay. So now we're going to divide my third hexagon into triangles, which, if you remember, are in 6ths. Okay. So I'm going to color just 1/6 or one triangle in my shape. Okay, and we say that this colored piece is 1/6 of my whole shape, because only one of them is colored in, and there's 6 pieces total. Okay, so my blue pattern block means 1/3, my red one is 1/2, and my green one is 1/6. So keep that in mind as we continue with our lessons. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.